Here's what therapists don't tell you. Sometimes you don't need to talk about your feelings, you need to make something with them. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how. Hi, I am Dr. Cheryl Russell, and I was formerly a C-suite executive, and at 52, I had to rebuild my entire life. Not because I wanted to, because life said, you have no choice. So I had to. I picked myself up and I started moving forward. And today I help women like you in the same journey. If you're over 50 and you're wanting clarity, confidence, and a fresh new chapter, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, I am going to give you a creative reset that takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's going to express a part of you that has been waiting in the wings for years. No vision board, no pressure, just you. Here is what we're covering today. Why midlife disconnection isn't a crisis, it's a signal. The neuroscience behind why creativity unlocks clarity. A simple 4-step ritual you can do this week. How to trust the process when nothing makes sense yet. What happens when you stop forcing answers and start feeling them? Why we need a reset. Here is what no one tells you about midlife. You can be successful, capable, and experienced, but still feel untethered. Not unhappy, just feeling misaligned. I remember standing in my office one afternoon, big picture window, looking out over the city and thinking, wow, this is amazing. I am where I wanted to be. And then one day I stopped getting that feeling. It wasn't fun anymore, like a chore. And I felt unfulfilled and distant, like I was watching myself through plexiglass. Remember, in life, we have so many different roles. We're the caregiver, the spouse, the educator, the professional, the problem solver. And somewhere along the way, our creativity goes quiet. Not gone, but just takes a step back. Dr. Dan Siegel, a clinical professor of psychiatry at UCLA, talks about integration, when different parts of our brain communicate and we feel whole. But stress, routine, and decades of role-playing fragment us, and we operate on autopilot. Creativity interrupts that autopilot. A reset doesn't mean starting over, it means coming home. What is a creativity reset? Let's be clear about one thing. It's not about being artistic. You don't need to have talent, you don't need to have special supplies, and you certainly do not need to have permission. Creativity is an expression without expectations. It's how we remember what lights us up, reconnect with our identity, access clarity without forcing answers. Think of this as a ritual, not an assignment. A pause, a breath, a gentle invitation. Here's the kicker. Your brain doesn't know the difference between making art and making sense of your life. According to the research from American Journal of Public Health in 2010, creative engagement reduces stress hormones, increases dopamine, and activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for planning your future. Remember, when you're doodling, you're literally rewriting your next chapter. Okay, I know you guys have been excited, waiting for what is this creative ritual. You can do this weekly, monthly, or just when you want to. And you can complete it in about 15 minutes. Step 1 is to set the space. Think of it this way. You want to create a space that is very intentional. For example, maybe when you get a cup of coffee and you sit down in your favorite comfy chair, or you light a candle or play some soft music. What this does is just kind of prepare you and get you ready for what you're about to do. Some people suggest that once you get your space ready and you're comfortable, and then you just say this intention out loud, like, this is my time. There's no rules. It primes your brain for openness and for input. Neuropsychologist Dr. Rick Hansen calls this taking in the good, consciously signaling to your nervous system that you're safe, present, and worthy of attention. Step 2 is you create without a goal. So pick what you want to do and only pick one. For example, you can doodle, you could do watercolor, you could write a list, you could journal. You can even as simply as rearrange the objects in the room or on the table. Now I want you to use one prompt. Here are a couple to choose from. What feels unfinished in me right now? What part of me wants more space? If this next chapter had a color, what would it be? What am I curious about again? Here's the rule. Do not judge or analyze or try and make it perfect. That's not the point. Think of it this way. This is not content. It's just a private conversation with yourself. The first time I did this, I actually just grabbed some colored pencils and scribbled circles on a piece of paper. That was it. But when I looked at them, it made me think about all the boxes I have lived in for the last 30 years. The circles weren't art, but they were permission for me to do what I wanted to do. Step 3 is to name what has emerged. When you're done, pause and ask yourself, what surprised me? What emotion showed up? What feels alive here? Then finish this sentence. Right now, I'm becoming someone who, write it down and don't overthink it. Some example responses could be, I'm becoming someone who trusts herself more. I'm becoming someone who makes space for joy. Or, I'm becoming someone who doesn't need permission anymore. This is your subconscious speaking. So listen. Step 4 is to close the ritual. Just a simple sign of gratitude. Acknowledging that you've taken the time and that you're done and you're grateful for being able to do it. Maybe it's holding your hand on your heart and saying, I trust this process. You don't need to have this all figured out. What this is doing is just honoring that first signal. So ladies, if you're nodding yes to this video, please do me a favor and hit subscribe and the like button. What it does is it tells me that I'm reaching somebody with my content, and that gives me encouragement to keep producing more content for you. Because reinvention isn't a solo journey. We are in it together. Thank you. So what is the problem we're really solving here? Let's name the elephant in the room. You are here on this channel watching this right now because something feels a little off. Maybe it's brain fog. Maybe you have super low energy. Maybe you're thinking, oh my goodness, I am over 50 and is this all there is? And you read all these self-help books and they're saying to find your purpose, but maybe your purpose isn't lost. What if your purpose is just buried under decades of other people's expectations? I see you. I was there. You are the woman who gave everything to everybody else, and now you're wondering, what do I want? You're not broken. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. You are in midlife transition, and this is a creative bridge. Why does this work? It's not magic. When we create, our nervous system softens and lowers our cortisol levels. Our intuition gets louder, and our confidence rebuilds quietly. It's a strengthening of neural pathways through repetition. A 2014 study in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that daily creative activity leads to increased well-being and flourishing, not just in the moment, but cumulatively over time. Translation? You're not finding yourself, you are rebuilding yourself. One small creative moment at a time. So here is what we covered today. Why midlife disconnection is a signal, not a crisis. The 4-step creative reset ritual. How creativity rewires our brain for clarity. And why you don't need to force answers, just feel them. Your next chapter doesn't have to be figured out all today. It just needs to be felt. And here's what I know that is true. The next version of yourself is already here. She's in pause. She has curiosity. She is in the messy doodle that you made on Tuesday afternoon. You are not lost and you're not stuck. You are exactly where you need to be. And this ritual is how you start trusting that. And I am very honored that I'm on this path with you. If this resonated with you, drop a comment and tell me what surprised you when you tried the ritual. Click the link in the description to get access to free midlife reinvention tools, all made with you in mind. And if you still want more, check out the next video, because this time it really is about you. See you in the next one.